Hi, my name is Autumn Wintersgill from Knitting in the Red, and today we're going to talk about how to knit a scarf using only the knit stitch. When you're only using the knit stitch, this is called garter stitch. So we're going to knit one row, turn around, and knit another row. So we're going to knit row upon row to create a garter stitch scarf. And the way that we do this is we're just going to knit all the stitches in this row. And again, that's inserting the needle from left to right, wrapping the yarn and pulling it towards you and slipping the stitch off. So that is the knit stitch. And when we repeat this over and over again, we're just going to be making bridges that create the fundamentals of garter stitch. So after you get to the end of a row, you'll just turn and you'll knit again. I'm at the end of my row, I'm turning my work, and I'm getting ready to knit all of my stitches once more. And after you complete this process, you'll end up with rows that look like ridges and little V's, and that is the characteristic garter stitch ridge in your knitting. Again, my name is Autumn Wintersgill from Knitting in the Red, and you just learned how to knit a scarf using only the knit stitch.